Apple's new iPhones are officially out, but did you notice that there are a few things they didn't spotlight or discuss at the launch? In this video, I'm going to go over 4 things you probably didn't know about the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. First and foremost, let us discuss the displays. Apple made a great fuss about the bigger screens and more display space on these new models. The bezels are a little bit thinner than last year's Pro models, but here's the scoop. There were strong rumors that Apple would release the new 14 OLED displays from Samsung, which are said to be much brighter than what others offer. For example, the newly launched Google Pixel 9 Pro has a peak brightness of 3000 nits. So, how does the new iPhone stand up in this brightness? Showdown. We're still looking at 2000 nits of peak brightness on both models, as we were last year, and this isn't just marketing. Having a brighter screen is really useful when attempting to view your display outdoors. However, Apple did not increase the brightness this year, and it seems that we will have to wait for the iPhone 17, which is reported to feature a new design, to witness that change. The main 48-megapixel camera on the Pro iPhones hasn't changed. It's the same sensor as the one in last year's iPhone 15 Pro. What's new this time is the addition of a 48MP ultra-wide camera, which aims to deliver more detail and higher quality photos. Additionally, both the Pro and Pro Max models now feature the same telephoto lens, providing 5x optical zoom on both devices. However, the smaller Pro model no longer has the 3x zoom option. Many users loved that 3x zoom because it was just right, but now the iPhone 16 Pro skips from 2x to 5x with only a 3x digital zoom cropped from the main sensor. And don't forget, the smaller Pro model starts at 128 gigs of storage for $999, so if you want to shoot Pro long video, you'll have to shell out for the 256 gigs version, which will cost you a bit more. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.